Which way do we go in? It's this way we're going. Check in. Hello. Okay. Yep. Hello. Okay. Right, okay, brilliant, thank you. Thanks. Done. What is this? Hello. Thank you. Welcome to Walton Hall Gardens. Illuminati Trail? No. Illuminati Trail? Illuminator. Luminate. Something like that. Shall we just wait a minute? And film it. So, never been here before, no idea what to expect, but so far so good. Look at that, lasers. Sign's popular. Good for Instagrammers. Maybe get that on the way back. It's not very busy, is it? What is that moon? Oh, that's good. Oh, look at this. Look, it goes for miles. This looks like Walton Hall there. Look at all this. Looks like dry ice, very atmospheric. I like this wave pattern down the sides. Ooh. Hot fresh donuts. Hot, fresh Belgian waffles. Ooh, this could be good. Waffles. Should we get it? What do you mean now? Oh, okay. Do they have those? Okay. This is a lot less crowded than I expected, which is good. It's like a tunnel of lights. I think we'll have to wait our turn to go through this. Tunnel of lights. Nice. That looks really cool with all that dry ice flowing in. Looks like fog. Wow, look at that. Oh, that's all spongy. That's why they've got the wires running underneath it. It's more of a trip hazard than not having it, I think, that. Look at these disco balls. Disco. Wow, look at that one. Whoa, something happening up here. Oh, nearly walked into that rope. Is that a field? It's like a bowling green or something, doesn't it? Should be able to. Oh! Whoa! Wow, that's powerful. Whoa! Whoa, straight up. Down. And around to the way. Wow, it's amazing, isn't it? That's a lot of fun that you can do that. I've never seen anything like this before. Have you? Have you?
I haven't seen it, but it's very hard to do. Look, spotlight. Oh, okay.
Oh, it's so cool. Yes, right. Need to get mulled wine now, definitely, right? Same site here as well. Hello, you take cards, I presume?
We do.
Oh,
we
brilliant, that's good.
it.
Oh, really?
What would you like?
2 mulled wines, please.
Oh, mulled wine is at the
Oh, is it that one?
Sorry.
Right, okay. It does, yeah.
Yeah.
It's run out. Too popular. Could be that. All right, let's try this one then. Hello, yeah, could I get 2 mulled wines, please?
2 mulled wines?
Yep. We should try toasted marshmallows.
It's £9.90.
Thank you. Thank you. Wow. Cheers. Oh, wow.
Doing this with Vince.
So, to get into Walton Hall, this Illuminati event, This Luminate event is just over £20 per person. I think it was £21.95 or something close to that. And this is on Saturday, so I think it's a little bit more expensive on Fridays and Saturdays, a little bit cheaper in the week, but it's open to December 24th. So if you're close to Warrington or in this area in the northwest, get down here, pay it a visit. Push the buttons while they glow. Have some fun with that whimsical light show. Okay, what it's supposed to do? Press it, follow the colours. Green. Red. Red. Oh, I'm not very good at this. We used to have a game when I was a kid called Simon, and you had to follow the colours like this. And it was very difficult. Ah, rubbish. All right. Are you filming? This bit's a bit more leafy. It's like more like a little grotto area with lights. Oh, look at the colours in this. Look at that, the gates there to one of the gardens. I bet this would be a good place to come a look around in the daytime, you know. Look at that. That's got some age to it. Must be 100 years old. Photo opportunity. Cheers. How about this for a thumbnail? Yeah? Is it that? A lot of these, you know, just keep wanting to walk into these wires. But yeah, it's probably just me. That's quite nice, even though there's hardly any lights in it. Nice little garden. Looks like this is going to tell us if you're naughty or nice, if Santa's going to come. Okay, here goes nothing. Come on. Yes, Santa's coming. Seems like another popular bit. What's this? Make your wish, hang it high, for our fairies flying by. If your heart is pure and true, they will grant your wish for you. Ah, look at this, look. Full of wishes, isn't it? What is this corner? Just a corner with some lights, and then, oh, that tree's got wrapped up for Christmas.
Oh, it's you, my lovely lot. Well, anyway, have you all enjoyed your visit to our illuminated trail? Very good. I have heard on the grapevine that you have been hunting for our mischievous fairies and having lots of fun through our enchanting gardens.
Look in that bird cage. Something going on in there. What's that? Is that Tinkerbell? Look.
More fairy houses.
That's strange, isn't it? Look, see, that cage is open, one's got out there. Can you see? It's escaped. I think that's what these jars are for, you know. They used to trap them in jars. You could catch a fairy, stick it in there, and then it would give you light. You could use it as a lantern. Pretty sure that's what's going on there. What's this? Oh, look, there's the moon. Watch your step down here. Wow.
There you go.
Hi.
What can we get you?
Can we get 2 mini Dutch pancakes, please? Not 2, but for 2 people.
2 lots,
yeah.
yeah. Are they just with the whipped cream and icing sugar? Do you want any sauce or?
What are the options?
So there's a little list at the bottom of all
Okay.
the sauces.
Oh, right.
So you can pretty much add any extras for 50.
Okay.
Can I get mine with white chocolate?
White chocolate this time. Yes.
So one with milk chocolate and one with white chocolate.
Yeah.
But I don't want cream. Do you want cream? No cream.
No cream on
No.
either of them.
Perfect.
That'll be £11 in total. isn't it?
Thank you. There we go. Luminate. I knew that's what it was called. All right, let's give this a try, if you can see it.
Yeah.
Belgian waffles with dark chocolate, milk chocolate.
Dutch mini pancakes. Yeah.
Dutch mini pancakes with milk chocolate. 10 out of 10. Are you filming me? As you can see, this horse is on his best behaviour. Very, very good with visitors. And look, he hardly moves at all. You can even pet him. Ah! Oh! Wait. Mate, you're freezing. Should see the vet about that. Candy Cane Lane. Look at that.